next job I have to do on the dedication committee is probably one of the hardest things I've had to do with the fair committee. And that is to talk about who we're dedicating our fair to this year. We're going to dedicate our fair, and we'll go ahead and tell you, to Cotton Jordan. Y'all know him as Lawrence Cotton. I know him as Cotton. Cotton was here with us many, many years. He was dedicated to his family, his community, his church, and to the fair and all his jobs he had. Today, I really realized what Cotton was doing. I thought I knew everything Cotton done here at the fairgrounds. I thought I knew it all. But I have found out in the last week, I don't know it. You know, me and Cotton would come down here and we'd start the first of the week about Thursday. Cotton would say, I'll tell you right now, Glass, I'm through. I ain't coming back. I'm not doing this next year. I'm done with it. I said, okay, Cotton. Well, by Saturday, you know, everything would get over and it'd calm down, and Rector Cotton would go to tell me what we're going to do next year. So I knew I still had him for one more year. And I can tell you, the fair is suffering from Cotton Jordan, losing Cotton. I have suffered, his family has suffered, but we know where Cotton is today. And I told him, I said, I know Cotton, he's up there right now, and he's the one that politics. He said, I left him in trouble, so send him some good weather. They need a good fair. I don't know who it was. He couldn't call Brister, and he couldn't call Folk, and he couldn't call Smith. So I don't know who he found, but he found somebody, and he took care of us, and we appreciate it. Now I'd like for his family to come up.
Yes, I think
Cotton had two daughters, as I did. This one right here, Miss Robin, she started to school with my daughter. They went to school together. They finished together. His daughter, Misty. His sister, Miss Donis. The fair was dedicated one time to the Jordan family, but not to Cotton only. His grandson, Luke, Cole, DJ, and Charles. And we have, Melissa, do you have our plaque? Okay. We have a plaque for him, but I'm going to ask if any one of them wants to say anything.
Good morning. First of all, I'd like to thank the Fair Committee for dedicating the fair to my dad. He truly loved the fair, and some of our family's fondest memories with my dad have been spent at the fair. And I just know that he is smiling down on us today and would want everyone to have a wonderful time. So again, thank you to the Fair Committee.
We're going to present y'all with one of the year's posters. And where's the plaque at, Melissa? Okay, we have them a plaque. I see Tommy coming with it. But it's a plaque. We had his picture put on it in a little writing. We could never say enough about Cotton. I keep saying the sun. Dedicated to the memory of Lawrence Cotton Jordan, sadly missed and fondly remembered for his many years of service to his community and to the Fair Association. So I don't know what else I could say about Cotton. I could talk about Cotton probably for 2 weeks and not get through. But I can tell you the kind of friend, and I'll probably never have another one in life like that. When Cotton and I were together, I would come up with an idea and Cotton would say, Glass, that won't work. I said, but Cotton, we got to try it. No, it won't work. But I can tell you what, if I didn't give up, he backed me. He supported me. So that's the kind of friends we need in life. And he was one of them, and I've lost him. And I thank